Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. We are going to be opening up my brand new Celine bag. Obviously by the title of this video y'all know that I got the Celine Nano Luggage Tote, and I am so excited to have this bag. This is a bag that I have been looking at for a very long time, and I've watched tons of YouTube unboxings. Obviously I got it at Nordstrom, so I don't have the actual Celine box, but there is a very specific reason of why I got it at Nordstrom, and I will get into all of that. But I want to keep this intro pretty short because, let's be honest, we just want to open up this bag. So because I purchased this bag from Nordstrom and not from the actual Celine site, I didn't get the Celine box, so we literally just have this generic Nordstrom shopping bag, but we did get the Celine Dust Bag, so we'll go ahead and pull her out here. Their dust bags are so beautiful. It has this like almost like wood looking kind of like, I don't know, pattern to it. It's really pretty. There's like a lot of depth in the dust bag. It's a really thick dust bag. I love Celine. It's so classic. It's so timeless. It's just it just feels very classy to me. So I really love the Celine brand. I don't know why I get so nervous when I film these like bag reveals or like unboxings of bags. They just feel like very, I don't know, very special to me. But this is the dust bag, and inside of the dust bag, we'll just go ahead and pull her out. Ta-da! So this is the bag, and it is so beautiful. This is the Nano Luggage Tote, I believe the smallest size of the luggage tote series. This is one of the most classic Celine pieces, and that's kind of why I went for it, because I just really like collecting kind of like timeless pieces. I have a black Gucci bag, a brown Chanel bag, a brown like patterned Gucci wallet, and I thought the perfect addition to my small handbag collection would be this beautiful dark olive green nano tote. So this bag is truly so stunning, and what I love about this specific handbag is that you wouldn't really know it's a designer bag unless you truly know designer bags, unless you know the Celine brand. The logo isn't that big. It's not like a Louis Vuitton or a Gucci print that you can spot from like across the room. Like, it is truly this beautiful, timeless, well crafted, just like stunning bag, and that's what I really wanted. I wanted a bag that was subtle but was something that I knew was high quality, that was just beautifully designed and beautifully made, and something that, I don't know, I just could hold on to for a really long time. And the Nano Luggage Tote is truly like a classic handbag. So inside the bag you also get a crossbody strap. So I really wanted a bag that had top handles, because all of my other designer handbags are crossbodies and none of them have any type of handle. So I really love flap bags. Like, flap bags are my thing. I'm always drawn to a great flap bag, like the Chanel flap or the Gucci Marmont flap bag. I love quilted flap bags, but I felt like because I have those other two bags, I wanted to switch it up and get something a little bit different. And I've always had my eye on this specific like Celine bag, especially in black for some reason. I feel like you don't see this beautiful green all that often, but you see the black kind of all the time. But because I had the Gucci bag in black, I really wanted to add some kind of color, and one of the most common colors that I wear personally, even though I'm wearing like a red top right now, is green. I actually love olive green, forest green, any type of like muted green I think is so pretty. And when I saw this bag in Nordstrom, I like freaked out because I just love this color. And I also love that this specific dark olive has this beautiful antique gold hardware and the gold Celine logo at the top. So I just love this combination of kind of like an antique gold and this deep green. And what's really interesting, and the reason that I got this bag at Nordstrom, is because this is the only place that I've seen this bag in this size. The actual Celine site only has the dark olive in the, I think it's called the micro, which is one size up, which is actually like a pretty drastic size difference between the nano and the micro. And I really wanted the small bag, but I could not for the life of me find this bag anywhere else except for Nordstrom, and not even on the Nordstrom website could I actually find this specific bag. It was only in the store, and so I actually spotted this bag for the first time a couple of months ago, and I just could not stop thinking about it. And since then, I had gone into Nordstrom like 3 or 4 times to look at the bag, to hold the bag, to try the bag on, and to see if I still like loved it, because honestly, Celine, I was just like confused why I was so drawn to this bag specifically, because again, I feel like if it's a designer bag, you want it to be like that bold, like logo bag that is truly like, oh, she's got a designer bag. But for some reason, I was just really drawn to the subtlety of the Celine bag, and so I ended up getting it at Nordstrom. And what's really, really interesting is that for some reason, the green one was priced $200 cheaper than than every other color, and the Nano Luggage is actually not even sold at $2,500, but this one for some reason at Nordstrom was sold at $2,500, and it's not because I got the floor model, like they actually went to the back and picked out a new one for me. I honestly feel like it was maybe like a misprint or something, but the person at Nordstrom was literally like, oh, did you know that the green one is for some reason like $200 less than every other Nano tote? And I was like, that's kind of weird. It honestly feels like a mistake, but it worked out in my favor. So I basically just like got this bag tax-free at that point. But this bag is truly like such a good bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack it so that we can look on the inside. But I just adore this design. I love all of the detail, and this little piece right here, I actually watched an unboxing, and I never thought of this until I watched a video on YouTube, but they said that you could slip your sunglasses through here and have your sunglasses be carried on the side of your bag, which I was like, that's brilliant. I don't think I would have literally ever thought of that. But this bag is actually really, really spacious. Even though it is the smallest bag in this series, it is still honestly really spacious. It can hold a lot, and that's actually why I wanted to get something that wasn't a flat bag, because I wanted something that could stay open, because I obviously do YouTube and I take my camera with me a lot of places, and a lot of times when I'm vlogging, I hate that I have to have like 2 hands to open the flap and then get my camera out, and then I have to like close the flap, or the bag like kind of like sinks a little bit. And so I wanted something that I could literally just toss my camera into. And so inside of this bag is the most stunning interior. I don't even know if you guys can see this, but it's like a velvety inside. The inside of this bag is so beautiful. I'm probably gonna get some sort of bag liner slash organizer, just because there really isn't any like pockets in this. There is like the smallest back pocket right here, but other than that, there's not really any pockets to organize or put stuff in. So you're gonna need like some small pouches or stuff for like makeup, but you probably do that anyway because it's a nice handbag and you want to keep the interior nice. But yeah, I just love it so much. Like, this is truly a bag that I have looked up on YouTube a ton of times to see what it looks like and what it fits. And I've even like found myself on Pinterest like searching this specific bag looking for this green one, and I could not find it literally anywhere. And so I'm so excited that I got it, and it honestly just feels like really special because you can't find this thing anywhere except for this random one Nordstrom in Nashville. So I don't know, I feel like maybe it was just meant to be. The color, the price, everything. I just am so obsessed. It does have a crossbody strap, and I will say something that pretty much everybody who unboxed this bag said that they didn't like was that the fact that the crossbody strap is not adjustable. And I kind of have to agree because it is a little bit long for someone who is as short as me. I'm 5'2", and so I'm gonna have to take it in to somebody, I don't know, a professional, and get it adjusted so that I can wear it and that it won't hang too low. I'll try it on so you can see where it hits on my body, but I just adore this gold hardware. It's so beautiful. It's just so cute, and I love that I can just like hold it like this, and it just feels really, really durable. Like, this is a leather that I'm not gonna have to baby. I'm not gonna have to like worry about. And that's another thing that really drew me to this specific bag, is that the Celine bags are made so well, and they just feel with this like pebbled leather. it really just feels like a durable bag that you can just toss into the passenger seat of your car. You can take it grocery shopping. I mean, you can take it and just throw it around pretty much. I'm not gonna like actually throw it around, but what I mean is like my Gucci bag, the black Marmot bag, I baby that thing so much because the leather is so smooth and like glossy that if any scratch gets on it, it's super noticeable, whereas this thing is like textured and it's just a really durable material. So I just feel like this thing honestly is gonna just stand the test of time, and obviously I'm gonna take care of it. Obviously I'm not gonna like wear out into the rain and like throw it into my car and like step on it and stuff, but I just wanted something that I didn't feel like I had to just like coddle, because a lot of times I feel like my Gucci bags I just don't want to wear out because they're like almost too nice sometimes. Like I just feel like they're too nice and I only want to wear them on like special occasions, and I don't know, I probably need to work past that, but this bag is truly just perfect and I cannot get over this color. I think this is just, it's literally just perfect. It's the perfect green and I love it so much. It has this tiny little zipper in the front. I really don't know what this is for. I think it's just, I don't know, maybe for a key or something, but yeah, this is the bag. I'll try it on so you guys can see it. So this is what the bag looks like compared to my body. I'm 5'2". Just note that the Nano Tote, you can hold on your wrist, but there's not like a ton of room to get your hand through. So it can go on your wrist like this, but I'm probably gonna more so hold it kind of like this to the side. This is the perfect size. You could hold a sunglass case, your wallet, your phone. I could throw a camera in here. It truly is like such a good size bag. And then this is what it looks like with the crossbody strap. Like I said, I'm 5'2", so it does hit a little bit low on me. So I really want to get it shortened so that it comes up to about here. I think is kind of where I want it. So I'm gonna have to take it in, get it shortened, but definitely worth it because it is a nicer bag and something I'm gonna hold on to for a really long time. I do feel like investing in getting the strap shortened would be worth it. But this is where it hits on my body currently. And then this is what it looks like just hanging on the side. So it's not like crazy low to where I can't like get into the bag, but pretty much I want it to hit like right here, right on my hip. But I do want to get it shortened a little bit. I just love the top handles though, because I just feel like I can just carry it around like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed unbagging my Celine Nano Luggage tote with me. I am so happy that I got this bag. I had thought about it for so long and I'm glad that I finally just decided that I've thought about it enough, I should just get it because I truly love the design, and yeah, it is truly perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you are new to my channel and you want to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye y'all.